All right. Feels like it's been a while since we've been over here, and it has, which it's unfortunate, but we've been spending time cleaning up some of the parts. And look, they're back and painted. Oil pan, intake manifold, timing cover, thermostat housing. Those are all back. They're here. I know we're still working on getting the silicone off those valve covers, and there's still some cleanup work I need to do in here as well. But we should be back to reassembly very, very, very soon. Also, the valve train is still over at my place. We're cleaning it. We actually have it all disassembled. And we're going to make sure everything's clean and there's no sludge in the shafts, because remember, people, the shafts are where the oil flows through as well, so we want that sparkling clean. We want it clean, we want it open, we don't want sludge. So that's coming along. One other little tidbit is we do have a set of transcooler lines on the way, because that one was just seized onto the fitting in the radiator, so it had to be kind of broken off. By the way, speaking of the radiator, we did get it back from Gary over at Bob's Radiator, and it has been cleaned out, pressure tested, tanks have been resealed. See, there's the fitting we're talking about that is stuck on. I do have a new fitting for the radiator side, and Alan at Mustang Country is getting us a set of transcooler lines. Those should be here soon. So, here we are, and